Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify design database schemas in Airtable for apps, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify design database schemas in Airtable for your apps, start by logging into your Airtable account. Navigate to the base containing the schema you wish to verify. Open the base by clicking on its name in your workspace. Once inside, take a moment to review the tables listed in your base. Click on the first table to examine its structure. Look for columns within the table and note their names and data types. Ensure each column is appropriately named, reflecting the data it will store. Check that the data types are correctly assigned to each column. For example, make sure text fields are set as single-line text or long text as needed. Continue this process for all tables within your base. After reviewing the columns, assess the relationships between tables. Identify linked records that connect tables and ensure they are correctly configured. Verify that the right fields are selected for linking and that they match the intended schema design. Next, examine any field validations or constraints applied. Ensure that required fields are marked as such and that any unique constraints are properly set. After validating table structures and relationships, utilize the view options to see how data is organized. Create different views to ensure that sorting, filtering, and grouping options align with your app's needs. Check the settings in the view configurations, making adjustments as necessary. Now, test the data input process. Try adding sample records to each table to ensure the schema supports your use cases. Pay attention to how the data behaves, looking for any errors or issues during input. After completing these tests, review the schema collectively. Confirm that all tables connect seamlessly and that the overall design makes logical sense. Finally, document your findings and any changes needed for future reference. This concludes the verification process for your database schemas in Airtable. Following these steps will ensure your app's database is well structured and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.